So welcome back to my channel. So the topic of our today video is history of e-commerce. So let's start this video. The history of e-commerce started over 40 years ago when the introduction of early technology like electronic data interchange and teleshopping in the 19th century paved the way for the modern day e-commerce store as we know it today. The history of e-commerce is closely intertwined with the history of internet. Online shopping became possible when the internet was opened to the public in 1991. Amazon was one of the first e-commerce sites in the USA to start selling products online, and thousands of businesses have followed since. The convenience, safety, and enjoyable user experience of e-commerce have improved exponentially since the inception of online shopping. In his article, we will discuss some of the key players and milestones of e-commerce. What is e-commerce? E-commerce or electronic commerce is the buying and selling of products or services via the internet. For many Americans, e-commerce is something we participate in on a daily basis, like making an online bill payments or purchasing from an online sellers. E-commerce can take many forms and involve different transactions. For an in-depth look at the impact of e-commerce and the different types of online shopping, checking out our articles on the definition of e-commerce. What was online shopping? Invented. Online shopping was invented and pioneered in 1979 by entrepreneur Mitchell Aldrich in the United Kingdom. Aldrich was able to connect a modified domestic television to a real-time multi-user transaction processing computer via telephone line. The system was marketed in 1980 and offered as business-to-business system that were sold in the UK, Ireland, and Spain. Bookstacks in limited and online bookstores created by Charles M. Stack in 1992 was one of the earliest consumer shopping experience. Stack's store began on a dial-up bulletin board 3 years before Amazon was founded. In 1994, Bookstacks Unlimited moved to the internet as books.com and was eventually acquired by Barnes and Noble. When was the first online transaction? The August 12, 1994 issue of New York Times appropriately titled Internet is Opened chronicled the sale between two friends of setting CD. The Times said the team of young cyberspace entrepreneur celebrate was what was apparently the first retail transaction on the internet using a readily available version of powerful data encryption software design of guarantee privacy. Early e-commerce timeline 1960 to 1982 invention and the early days. The development of the electronic data interchange in the 1960s century paved the way of electronic commerce. EDI replaced traditional mailing and faxing of documents by allowing a digital transfer of data from one computer to another. Trading partners could transfer orders, invoices, and other business transactions using a data format that met the ANSI ACS X12, the predominated set of standards in North America for inter-industry electronic exchanges. Once an order is set, it is examined by VAN, value-added network, and directed to the recipient's or order processing system. EDI allowed the transfer of data seamlessly without any human intervention. Mitchell's Irish invention, the idea for which was sparked by a conversation with his wife about their weekly supermarket shopping expedition, involved hooking a television of their supermarket to have them deliver the groceries. Aldrich coined was inventions teleshopping, shopping at a distance, which can be seen as a precursor for modern online shopping. Early e-commerce platforms. It was apparent from the beginning that these early advancements would make B2B online shopping commercially lucrative. B2C would not be successful until the later widespread use of PCs and the World Wide Web. In 1982, France launched Minitel and online services that used a Vidotex terminal machines accessed through telephone lines. The Minitel was free to telephone subscribers and connected millions of users to the computing network. By 1997, over 7 million homes had Minitel terminals. The Minitel system was popular before falling over the favor after the success of the internet 3 years later. Early 19th century, the World Wide Web arrives. In 1990, Time Berners-Lee and Robert Kalish published a proposal to build a hypertext project called World Wide Web. The inspiration of this project was modeled after the Dyntext SGML reader licensed by CERN. The same year, Berners-Lee created the first web server and wrote the first web browsers. Shortly thereafter, he went on a debut and when the web on August 6, 1991 as a publicly available services on the internet. When Berners-Lee decided they would take on the task of adding hypertext to the internet, the process led him to develop URL, HTML, and HTTP. In 1991, the National Science Foundation lifted its restrictions on commercial uses of net, causing online shopping to grow exponentially. In September 1995, the NSF began charging a fee for registration domain names